what is it, Sunday, January 26, 2025. We're going to be doing a review of these silicone air fryer basket liners. We used this one yesterday to do our peach cobbler, and it turned out just right. You can get a set of 4 of these for, around $15. The instructions say they need to be boiled for 3 or 4 minutes before you use them, but you can reuse them. You can use them in a microwave. They're very versatile, so you can use them for a bunch of different stuff. And so tonight we're going to cook that salmon in this one. And all we're going to do is put a little olive oil on it, a little minced garlic, maybe some salt and pepper to our taste, and put it in there. Going to turn it on. What did I have it on last time? I'll probably have to Google the temperature and time. I think it's maybe 350, 325, 350 for about 8 minutes. And then I check it. I think I cooked the last piece. It was a larger piece than this for about 12 minutes. But to get it flaky, it turned out just right. So we're going to do that. And so we will get it ready and put it in and get started. Okay, we are preheating the air fryer at 400. The recipe says 400 for 8 minutes. We've set it for 10. I usually cook it just a little bit longer. We'll check it, like I say, at 7, see how flaky it is. But like I said, that's the peach cobbler. Turned out real good last night. We cooked it in this same little silicone basket, and turned out just right. So I'm very pleased with these little silicone baskets. Like I said, about $12, $15, 4 of them. Got them at Amazon, and there's several different varieties and different sizes. So working out real good. We will microwave that potato at about 4 or 5 minutes, something like that, till it's soft. And we'll have it with the salmon, and then we'll have our peach cobbler for dessert. It's still preheating. We'll put it in when it gets preheated. Okay, at 3 minutes in, it's looking good. We didn't spray the little tray with any non-stick. I don't think we'll need it. We'll find out. Let's see how it works out for this piece of salmon. We may have a difficult time keeping the shop cat away from the salmon. Sometimes that's all I can do to keep her out of the food. Okay, we added 2 minutes for the size of the salmon because it was about twice as big as the one in the recipe, shown in the recipe, and also added 2 minutes for it being in the tray. So about 12 minutes total. We're about to pull it out and see what it looks like. We've already checked on it once or twice and sort of broke it up a little bit, so let's see what it looks like. Well, it looks flaky and done. Yeah, it's just, I think, just right. And so depending on the size of the meat and the tray, I think it would have done better on the rack, but it would have made a lot bigger of a mess. So we're going to take it out. I don't think it's going to be stuck. No, it's not going to be stuck. We'll be able to get it right out on our plate. We'll go ahead and put the baked potato in. So we'll have baked potato, salmon, and peach cobbler for tonight. Okay, so our final evaluation of our little silicone air fryer trays worked out very good. It worked out very good for the peach cobbler last night too. easy cleanup. They're dishwasher safe, so you can throw them in the dishwasher. It keeps your air fryer from getting all nasty and messed up. We'll have to wipe it. We'll have to clean it a little bit, but not that much, very little. And so, all in all, I can recommend these, and they seem to do real well so far, everything we've done with them. They ended up not as big as that piece of salmon was. I didn't realize how filling it was going to be. I don't need that baked potato. I think I'm going to keep it. I think it'll be okay to keep tomorrow night. I'll maybe wrap it in some foil, but I will have some peach cobbler, maybe some coffee or either hot tea. But anyway, that ought to wrap this up. I like him. I like them. They work very well. Like I said, we'll have our peach cobbler that we also did in the little silicone trays. And see here, Amazon, or these ads, a bunch of the Target, Walmart. You can find them all over the place. $3.70, $4, $26, $23. Got a good variety. So let's have our peach cobbler. I'm going to add a couple other photos, flowers, animals, different things to the back of this video for y'all to enjoy if you do. So shoot me a message, like, share, and subscribe. I guess we could recap the peach cobbler for you. We use peaches and heavy cream. We use Duncan Hines cake mix, some cinnamon, and I guess that was all, wasn't it? Peaches, Duncan Hines cinnamon, oh, butter, and covered the top of it with little pats of butter. Just cut them about 1/8 inch. Put them in for 350. Put it in the air fryer for 350 for 20 minutes, and it turned out perfect. And again, that was using the little silicone trays, so it worked out very good.